With Freeform, you can create collaborative whiteboards with your friends and family using drawings, text, links, photos, and more. We'll show you how you can work together or alone to bring your ideas to life. You can use Freeform with iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Just make sure you and any friends who want to use it update to the latest software first. Let's take a look at how to use Freeform on your iPad. To start, open the Freeform app. On the left sidebar, you'll find options for viewing all your projects, recent canvases you've worked on, shared boards, and more. When you want to start a new board, tap the Compose button at the top right of your screen. We're going to check out a board we've been working on with friends. You can use Freeform for personal projects like mapping out a road trip or planning a volunteer project. We've created a board for a neighborhood party we're helping to organize. To add collaborators, tap the Share button in the upper right corner. Then, select how you want to share. We'll select a recent messages conversation and tap Send. You can add to your board using the options at the top of your screen. Tap the Drawing button for a variety of tools and colors for writing and drawing. Or you can add a note with the Sticky Note button. Oh, it looks like our friend has just added one. Tap the Shape button to choose from different categories of shapes and objects to add to your board. Let's add one of the food shapes to go with our potluck list. Just tap a shape to add it. Actually, this one isn't quite right. If you want to undo something, you can tap the Undo button at the top right, or you can touch and hold it for both undo and redo options. There, this burger shape works much better. Touch and hold an object to move it to wherever you'd like. And you can resize it too. To add text, you can tap the Text box button, or tap the Media button to add photos, videos, PDFs, and more. We're going to add a photo. Tap Photos or Videos, tap a photo to select it, and then tap Add. We'll move this photo by our music plans about where the band can set up. With a few adjustments, this looks great. You can also tap an object for more customizations or to delete it. Every object will have different options like cropping for photos or formatting for text like fonts and colors. Now, let's pinch to zoom out so we can review all our work. In the upper left corner of your board, tap the arrow to the right of the title for options to show or hide the grid lines, export your board as a PDF, and more. Just tap the arrow again when you're done. Oh, it looks like a friend is adding a new theme to our list. This night is going to be awesome! And that's how you can start creating, collaborating, and organizing with others in Freeform.